Good morning, afternoon, judges. My name is Lucius, and I will tell you about my project today, Geovision 3.0, which is seeing the unseen. Did you know that 1.2 billion people don't exist on maps? More than 40% of urban Africa is unmapped. And no maps mean that they have no access to schools or hospitals, and traditional surveys take more than half a year to complete. So, how we crack the code? We have generated a perfect formula with a 92% accuracy rate. So, we rate each of the slums with a poverty score, which is 0.6 times the lack of vegetation times 0.4 times the nightlight poverty. We use data from Sentinel-2, nightlights, and World Pop for these informations and data. This is Dharavati, Mumbai in India. And using our information from satellite data in our sources, our program has detected 32 places in need in less than 3 seconds. Our 8 seconds was just a goal as a benchmark before, but we can do more than 32 in less than 8 seconds, versus that took 14 months for UN ground surveys, which is a very big time gap. So impact. We tell our decision makers in the UN and government where to put the resources of aid. We redirect where it's needed the most instead of places that moderately needed, while other places are dying for hospitals and schools because of their poverty and inequality. According to World Bank model, we will efficiently model $2.3 million. Three NGOs adopted our tool in pilot phase, just like the opening phase, and we are 45% faster disaster rate response in test zone. Okay. Help us map the unmapped. Scan the QR code to try the live demo, vote for Geovision 3.0, and join our open source project. Okay, so this is our website. Okay. Yeah. So what's the basis of our project? So we use AI-powered analysis of satellite data to detect urban inequality and places in need, helping governments and NGOs to redirect the aid to where it's needed the most. How it works. Our lightning-fast 3-step process transforms inequality satellite data to actionable insights for reducing urban inequality. First step, upload. Drag and drop the city coordinates or search for a location. Then we will automatically see and fetch the latest satellite data for that region. After that, we will analyze it with our AI. Our optimized AI processes multiple data sources in under 8 seconds using parallel processing and advanced caching. Number 3, and the last step, act. We will export comprehensive reports showing priority zones for intervention and aid allocation recommendations. We will also assign each place a poverty index and an index for the need of infrastructure. lightning-fast processing. Our optimized infrastructure leverages distributed computing and smart caching to deliver results in under 8 seconds, allowing for real-time decision making. SDG 10 Impact. Real-world impact through data-driven insights and targeted interventions. We have identified over 200 undocumented communities identified in Lagos. 1.2 million people benefited from improving resource allocation in our model. And using the World Bank methodology, an aid redirected to high-need areas, so saved $2 million. And our accuracy in predicting areas with infrastructure gaps is 85%. So, this is our demo. So, we have embedded a map inside of this place, inside our website, to see where people need needs. Okay, I'm going to type a location, just like this. Okay, we can see that as a score of 79 over 100. What the score does is, like, if we have a place that has 79 over 100 and another place that has 92 over 100 score, and we only have a fixed amount of resources to deliver help to one place, we will choose the one with 91 instead of the 79 one, because it's more in need, based on our formula I showed before. So we click here. Okay. No informal assignment detected, but its confidence is 90% and poverty score is 42 out of 100. Okay. And that is our project. We can also change the time lapse from before, seeing how is the world like and how did the slums evolve over time. Okay. And you also can zoom into all of these places and find the inequality hotspots. Which my mouse is not responding right now. Yeah, so you can zoom in, and once it works, you will see its index just like that from clicking the red dot. Okay, next, the About page. So, about Geovision 3.0. The challenge. What is the challenge? As of 2025, over 1.8 billion people live in communities that are unmapped and invisible to traditional resource allocation systems. That means they do not have and get the help they need. Through our AI-powered analysis, we have identified 3,427 undocumented communities across the globe that require immediate infrastructure intervention. Okay. So the standard maps have an accuracy of 45% in showing slums. Nightlights have an accuracy of 68% of finding places with need and infrastructure to help, like hospitals and schools. Satellite view of urban areas has 75% accuracy. And our analysis has 91% accuracy detection rate. Our tech stack, how we built this program. We use cutting-edge geospatial technologies with advanced AI to deliver unparalleled insights in these undocumented communities. First, we use Sentinel-2, VIRS, WorldPop, Google Earth Engine, React, MapLibre GL, TensorFlow, and Fast API. How our AI works. Our proprietary algorithm combines multiple data sources to create an accurate poverty score for any region. So this is our simplified equation, which is covered in the slides before. So where vegetation lack is normalized difference vegetation index, 1 minus that. And nightlight poverty is 1 minus normalized light index, because poor places can't afford to have greater electricity output. Therefore, their community's energy output in the light index will be lower. Project lead, that is me, dedicated to reducing global inequality through innovative technology and data-driven solutions. Yeah. Okay, and our mission, we're seeking partners, collaborators, and supporters to help expand our impact. If you're interested in working with us, please get in touch. And these are our sources and live demo. And that is it. Thank you so much, judges, for your time. And please vote Geovision 3.0 to help the unmapped people communities and make them seen.